Have you heard? In 2024, YouTube has transformed in ways you might not expect. It's like a whole new platform now.
I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed lately and was actually considering quitting. Is it really worth sticking around? What's different?
Absolutely. It's worth it. Even though it might seem a bit daunting at first, these changes actually open up a lot of new opportunities. Let's break down what's new and how you can use it to your advantage.
What exactly has changed? What should you know?
Let's start with the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm has undergone an important overhaul recently. The biggest change is a shift toward even greater focus on viewer engagement. This means the algorithm now prioritizes how long viewers watch your videos and how they interact with them. If your videos manage to capture and hold attention, they're much more likely to be recommended to other users.
With this new focus on engagement, how can creators ensure their videos get noticed?
To adapt to this new algorithm, it's major to focus on creating content that keeps viewers engaged throughout the entire video. The latest updates have made watch time and interaction even more critical factors.
That makes sense. But what about smaller or new creators? Are they at a disadvantage with these changes?
It's true that standing out can be challenging, but it's not impossible. YouTube has introduced several new tools designed to help creators of all sizes succeed. One key development is the advanced AI-powered analytics tools that give deeper insights into how viewers interact with your content. These tools allow you to see detailed metrics, such as which parts of your videos are most engaging and how viewers are responding to your content.
Can you give us some examples of how these tools work?
Of course. For instance, YouTube's new analytics dashboard now includes features like real-time audience feedback and detailed engagement reports. Channels like Emma Chamberlain have leveraged these tools to better understand their audience's preferences and adapt their content accordingly. By analyzing data on viewer drop-off points and interaction rates, she's been able to tailor her videos to better meet the needs of her audience.
That sounds like a valuable resource. Are there any other important changes beyond the algorithm and analytics?
Yes, there are a few more noteworthy updates. YouTube has also made substantial changes to its monetization policies. The platform now has stricter rules for ad revenue eligibility, focusing more on content quality and compliance with community guidelines. This means creators need to be more mindful of the content they produce and how it aligns with YouTube's policies.
What about monetization options outside of traditional ad revenue? Have there been any updates there?
YouTube has introduced several new monetization features to help creators diversify their income streams. For example, the platform now offers expanded opportunities for super thanks, channel memberships, and merchandise integration. Super Thanks allows viewers to make one-time payments as a form of support, while channel memberships enable creators to offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. Additionally, YouTube's merchandise shelf has been updated to support a broader range of products, making it easier for creators to sell branded merchandise directly through their channel.
That's good to know. How can creators make the most of these new monetization features?
To maximize these opportunities, creators should focus on building a strong and engaged community. Offering exclusive content through channel memberships can incentivize viewers to support your channel financially. Similarly, integrating merchandise that resonates with your audience can provide an additional revenue stream. Channels like Nikki Tutorials have successfully used these features to enhance their revenue and deepen their connection with their fans.
Speaking of monetization, I've heard that the rules have become stricter. How can creators still earn from their channels?
While it's true that YouTube's ad revenue policies are more competitive, there are still many ways to make money. Besides ad revenue, creators are exploring other income streams like sponsorships, merchandise, and channel memberships.
Sponsorships and merchandise sound like good options. Give us some examples of channels that are doing well with these methods.
Definitely. For instance, Marcus Brownlee has built a successful tech channel and attracts sponsorships from big brands. His channel is known for in-depth tech reviews, which makes it attractive to companies looking to promote their products. Similarly, Lily Singh has pushed goods and brand deals to diversify her income.
That's impressive. Are there any other monetization features that YouTube has introduced recently?
Yes, there are a few more. YouTube now offers features like Super Thanks and channel memberships. Super Thanks allows viewers to make one-time payments to support their favorite creators, while channel memberships let viewers pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. Nikki Tutorials, a popular beauty influencer, uses these features to connect with her audience and boost her revenue.
So it sounds like there are still plenty of opportunities to make money on YouTube. What are some practical steps I can take to fix these changes and start making the most of them?
Here are 5 actionable tips that can help you navigate the changes and succeed on YouTube in 2024. 1. Use YouTube's AI-powered analytics to get detailed insights into your audience's preferences. These tools can help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Channels like Curtis Connor use these tools to stay ahead and keep their content engaging. 2. Create content that keeps viewers engaged. This could mean asking questions, starting conversations, or creating content that people want to share. The Try Guys are great at engaging their audience with relatable content. 3. Take advantage of YouTube's advanced analytics features to understand what's working and what isn't. This will help you make data-driven decisions about your content. Markiplier is known for using analytics to track trends and adjust his content strategy. 4. Make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching and your titles are intriguing. A compelling thumbnail and title can importantly increase your click-through rates. 5. Partner with other YouTubers to expand your reach. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences and help you grow. David Dobrik often collaborates with other creators to attract new viewers.
But with so many changes happening on YouTube, I still feel a bit confused. What if I can't keep up?
It's completely normal to feel that way, especially with how fast YouTube is evolving. But don't worry. Every creator, even the big names, has had to face new challenges. The key is to stay informed and flexible. Creators like Emma Chamberlain didn't just become successful overnight. They adjusted to changes, stayed consistent, and evolved their content as the platform grew.
That's reassuring. So where should I start?
Begin by going into YouTube's latest tools and features. The platform is offering more resources than ever, like AI-driven analytics, which can help you understand your audience better and tweak your strategy. Try out different approaches, and don't be afraid to experiment with new content styles. Most importantly, stay consistent in posting and engaging with your audience. You don't need to get everything right from the start. What matters is that you're constantly learning and improving.
So it's really about being open to change and learning as you go?
The creators who thrive on YouTube are the ones who are willing to evolve. Keep pushing forward, be consistent, and keep refining your strategy. The more you apply, the better your chances of success.
If you found our video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep pushing forward, and good luck with your channel.